Hello students, in this video I am going to discuss about optical network structure and network topology. First one, optical network structure. Okay, figure shows the structure of a simple optical network. It consists of optical nodes interconnected with the optical fiber links. See here, this is optical node. An optical node is a multifunctional element which basically acts as a transceiver unit capable of receiving, transmitting and processing the optical signal. Optical fiber provide point-to-point physical connections between network nodes. The point-to-point fiber links can be used to establish logical links where the destination node can be reached by traveling through one or more intermediate nodes in a single or multiple hops. A signal carried on a dedicated wavelength from source to destination nodes is known as light paths. See here, this dotted line indicates light paths. The data can be sent over these light paths once the connections are set up. In addition, a controlling mechanism is also required to provide for data flow during its transmission in order to authenticate the entire data transportation between each transmitting and receiving node. Based upon this simple optical network scenario, the fundamentals can be divided into three broad areas. They are optical networking terminology, the functions and types of optical network node and switching elements, and wavelength division multiplexed optical networks. Okay, next, network topology. The network structure formed due to the interconnectivity patterns is known as a topology, which can take a form of a bus, ring, star or a mesh structure as shown in figure. Bus, ring, star and mesh. Where the circles represent the interconnected nodes. In the bus topology, the data generally circulates bidirectionally. Data is input and removed from the optical fiber bus via 4-port couplers located at the nodes. In the ring topology, the data usually circulates unidirectionally, being looped through the nodes at each coupling point, and hence it is repeatedly regenerated in phase and amplitude. In optical star topology, an optical star coupler forms a central hub to the network, which may be either active or passive. In passive operation, the star coupler at the hub splits the data in terms of power so that the signal is transmitted to all nodes. Next, mesh topology. The ring and star topologies are combined in the mesh configuration to provide interconnections among the network nodes. It is referred to as full mesh when each network node is interconnected with all nodes in the network. Therefore, the full mesh configuration provides more interconnectivity than the other three topologies. Optical networks can be implemented using either a single or a combination of topologies. The full mesh topology, however, although complex, is often preferred for the provision of either a logical or virtual topology due to its high flexibility and interconnectivity features. Thank you.